What's up, y'all? It's Tommy here with Everyday Finance, and today I'm going to be answering some of you guys' questions that y'all sent to me. All right, now Steve asked, what do you do when it plateaus? Mine went up and up and up, and now it's just been stuck at 734 for like 6 months. Okay, now he's referring to his credit score going up and then kind of plateauing, and he says he's stuck at 734. That's one thing I try to mention to you guys is, like, you don't have to get to 850. Okay, you don't need to have an 850 credit score. I remember when I was, a couple years back, it might have been, let's say 2017, around 2016, 2017, my credit score was like in the 720s, 730s, probably around the same as his. And honestly, Steve, like at that point I was good, right? Because the reason is, now that your score's in that range, really, once you get to about 720 to 750 range, you're going to be able to get approved for the majority of, you're going to get the best rates on most loans that you're going to apply for, and you're going to be able to get approved for most types of cars that you're trying to apply for. Okay, so honestly, you're in a good place. It's going to be a lot harder for you to move up once you get to that range, because the only thing else that can help you move up is going to be time, pretty much, right? Because now you're going to, instead of you worrying about those major categories, now you got to focus on making sure you're not missing any payments and making sure that you're not closing down any accounts. And then you're going to see your score is just going to gradually increase little by little. Okay, so you just it's more of a waiting game at this point. There's not really any major moves that you can do to really get your score pushing. Okay, so just make sure you're not missing any payments. If you have any negative accounts or late payments, either trying to get those late payments removed or trying to dispute those negative accounts. Okay, and that's gonna be the gist of it for this one, guys. Make sure that you hit the like button. That way I know that I'm on the right track with these videos, and also hit the subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alrighty, so that's gonna be it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.